What's up, YouTube? Today we are here with my good friend Shane Singletary.
What's up, guys? How's everyone doing?
He's tying on a lure right now. What are you tying on, bro?
Little Yo-Zuri.
Little Yo-Zuri.
Sexy shad 3DD.
That looks good. So we're at the Chicago lakefront today. Ideally, I'm looking for a smallmouth bass, maybe a northern pike, something like that. What are you hoping for today, buddy?
Well, typically I'm always out here for a smallie, and that's what I'm out here for, a smallie. But if I catch something else, and I do, and it's nice, I'll take that also. But I want a smallie. Let's get it straight. Smallies.
Smallies is definitely what we're out here for. It is hot. It is very hot. I am sweating and we haven't even started walking yet. But let's get this party started and I hope you enjoy. Be sure to subscribe because there's a lot more coming to you. But let's get this party started now. Hey, I got a pike. I got a pike, bro. Yeah, I saw him. I cast it to him.
There was a smallie swimming over here too. Shot that way.
See what I can do here as far as video. This is a northern pike. Last 5-6 years they just started showing up in Chicago, actually. Yeah, they prefer clean water, so I guess it's a good sign. You got him. There we go, guys. Lipless crankbait here. I actually spotted this northern pike out here. We casted to it, and it hit it. It actually freaking hit it. It's a small northern pike, but obviously a great sign of things to come for the Chicago lakefront. The last 5 years, they've definitely been putting on a showing here. So now we're gonna go in for the release on this guy. Alright guys, as you saw, get the water off your lens there. As you saw, we just caught that northern pike right here. He was just sitting right here on the surface. I actually seen him, made a cast right to him, and he hit. So that's always awesome. We're gonna work our way down more, see if we spot any fish. Potentially we can end up leaving and just trying to go to another harbor to see if we can locate any. But so far so good. It is hot as heck. Shane and I are both out here sweating, but we're gonna keep on going and keep on casting. Let's go. What we're gonna do today is use this 4-pound Crappie Max line. As you can see, I have a very, very ultralight setup. One of the smallest reels I've ever had. I have these little tiny beads of white bread that I formed with my fingers, and I'm just tossing them in there just so the fish aren't expecting anything. They'll start feeding on these things, and then hopefully they grab my free-falling bread without any hesitation. So I'm using a tiny little hook here. I mean, it's actually a size 4 hook. It's not a tiny hook. I've used way smaller. And it's just so odd to me that I'm missing a lot of fish. when I'd otherwise use a really small hook and not have a problem. So here we go again. Here we go. There we go. We got one. Got one on, Shane. Four-pound test. We have a very small spool here, but we do have enough open water where if I can keep him arranged just right here and he doesn't do any crazy spools, we can catch him. Oh, he just snapped me off. It was that easy. Just snapped me off.
That one?
It's a big one, dude.
Yeah.
Look at him.
Yeah, I see him.
He's big. He's big.
You want me to try the net or no?
Yeah, but I mean, we're not.
I know, we're not even close.
We go to the tunnel where it's done. Okay, I'm so lucky, dude. He was gone there.
You're getting tired.
This is such a good fight right now. 4-pound test. We do have some obstacles, but we also have some space to move here.
Got the net? Oh. There you go. Yeah.
4-pound test, bro.
Watch your rod don't fall in the water.
Here we are, guys. A massive Lake Michigan, Chicago, Illinois carp. We're using an ultralight setup here. I showed you earlier the 4-pound test crappie max that we're using. I don't have a scale, otherwise I'd weigh him for you. He has some beautiful coloration at the end here. Unique. Just wiped that. 4-pound test, guys. What an epic fight. Huge belly on this fish. Shane with the great camera work. Oh man. Let me get all this back together here. Look at that fatty, guys. Huge. Thank you. Huge common carp. Here's one. I'm gonna put him in the net to release him. What a big fish compared to my ultralight. There you go. Oh, dude, I'm so sore. Uh-oh. They have that back fin on them, and I just got tangled on it. There we go. That was an epic fight. Alright guys, I'm back. Just took a break. I think I'm ready for more action. Let's go. Let's go. Kind of like frogging, you gotta wait a little bit. They gotta really get that the hook in their mouth before you set the hook.
Maybe
I think I could have just been doing it early, you know.
You're pulling too early?
Yeah. There we go. Got one. Got one.
Do you need me to fill the camera?
If you want to get my black one.
Oh, you're on there. I'll wait till they go by.
Oh,
You're
right there.
on it.
That
You're
black
on.
one, that right there. You could turn that one. Ooh, this one's got, yeah, this one's not nearly going to be as easy as the last one, bro.
You got 4 pound test on it, right?
Well, yeah, but
I don't know if
I couldn't reach the net down here anyway, right? I got to get on that thing. I think so.
probably. You want to head that way? I'll bring you there. Look, I'll bring you
This is what makes me nervous is when I get on top of here. Here, let me get the net. Oh, I got screws coming loose, bro.
He's gonna go under here.
Ooh, I'm on his top fin. That's not good. But I think he's tired enough where I could bring him in. So we got him tired, but he's not tired enough. When I get him to the surface here, we'll be able to control him more. Doesn't this make you appreciate that last one even more?
Absolutely.
Dude, that last one was a monster compared to this fish.
Yeah, the other one was way bigger.
Whoa! But he was long and skinny, and those are...
It's still a nice carp though, man. Put up a nice... You got that 4 pound test on, you know?
Yeah, I'm gonna take the hook out real quick actually, because he's already bleeding up here. This guy is very slippery.
He's all slimy.
Alright. Here we are. Second fish, 4 pound test, ultra light setup. Let's go. Thank you, sir. Oh, let's go! Alright guys, I gotta take a break from the carp because I'm so tired from all that fighting. So we're gonna go for some smallers. Shane just missed a nice smallmouth bass, Chicago, Illinois. Fish is just cruising along the shoreline here. He seems to be interested. Shane just dropped his tube back down. The smallie seems interested. Nope, nope. Yeah, drop it in there. Let it fall right there. Let it fall. Oh, you got him. Yeah! Woo! Awesome fight. Smallmouth bass, pound for pound.
Whoa,
One of the
about
best
time.
fighters in Chicago, Illinois. Shane Singletary, baby.
Right between the eyes, baby.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's about time.
Great catch, dude. Great catch. Shane Singletary, smallmouth bass, Chicago, Illinois. Yes, sir.
About time, baby. Yeah, all right. I want to kiss this thing. All right, go back in. Thank you, baby. Woo, man, got that monkey off my back.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Nice work. Thank you very much. It's a smallmouth bass. Most protected fish in Chicago.
Really?
Yeah.
That was funny.
Yes, the yogurt crankbait.
Because we all sat at
I better just
a
get,
black.
I'm trying to get unhooked out of the net, but... There we are, guys. Beautiful smallie. Tossing along the wall here. Took a while to get one on the crankbait today after those carp, but oh, what a beautiful fish. Red eye, small jaw, bronze back. Those are all the nicknames for this guy. Now we're going in for the release. All right, guys, that is gonna do it for us today. Oh, I get copyright shit for us. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for us today. Lake Michigan, Chicago, Illinois. It was quite an awesome day. I'm so glad that I personally brought my extra setup, the ultralight for carp, because that was awesome.
Yeah, that was a good call.
That was an epic
that
fight.
Was a good call. That was.
But Shane was able to knock out that smallmouth.
Finally got that monkey off my back. Got the smallie going.
How did that feel, bro?
It was great. It was
Fun day.
caught a couple rock bass too. By the way.
He did. I did not get him on film. But yeah, he was popping the rock bass as well. Overall, fun day, man. We had a lot of fun out here today. It was very hot, beautiful night in Chicago. It always is in the summer. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button. And also hit that notification bell, so every time I post a video, you get notified right away. Every video is posted every Friday, 10 a.m. We'll see you guys again soon. Thank you guys again for watching. Shane and Geo, we out.
Peace.